Load data from an ETABS model to Foundaxis. Once your ETABS model has been calculated, you can import the data to design your foundations in Foundaxis. Remember to work with equivalent static load combinations to avoid sign loss. In a 3D view, rotate the model to observe it from a side angle. Then, select all the nodes, columns, and walls that reach the base by drawing a selection area from the bottom left corner to the top right corner. Open the File, Export menu, and select the option ETABS Database Tables to Text. Deselect all tables, and then select only 1. All tables within model definition. 2. The reactions tables within analysis. Result joint output. Select the load combinations you wish to consider in the foundation design. After ensuring that the Selection Only checkbox is activated, press OK. Make sure the import is done in tons and meters, kip and feet, or kilonewtons and meters. Save the file in the generated E2K format. Next, log into your project space at Foundaxis.com and create a new project. Select the ETABS option and then click Continue. Select the E2K file generated in ETABS. Foundaxis will verify that all required tables are included in the file. Click Continue. Then, select the service loads for the geometric design of foundations and the ultimate loads for steel reinforcement design. Enter the densities of concrete and soil on foundations. Then input the design stresses for static and dynamic loads. Click Complete. After that, enter the height of the foundations, the pedestal depth, and the initial geometric parameters. Remember that the base of your foundations will be at H plus HP. Click Complete, and your model is ready for design. Foundaxis, fast and precise foundation design.